friends, my name is Ayan Sefi. I study in 4th class. Today I will tell you about agriculture. Hope you like it. India is an agriculture country, therefore 2/3 of its population is involved in the cultivation of land and the rearing of animals. Crops grown in winter season are called Rabi crops and the crops are grown in rainy season are called Kharif crops. Crops example like rice. Rice is the most important food crop of India. It grows as a Kharif crop. The leading rice producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Wheat is a Rabi crop. It grown in winter season. It required wet and cool climate. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh are the major wheat producing states. Sugarcane. India is the largest producer of sugarcane. It grows all over India, but the leading states are Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Jute. Jute is a fiber crop. Jute required a lot of water. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam are important jute producing states. West Bengal is the largest producer of jute. Cotton. It is used to make clothes. It grows well in black soil. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, western parts and Punjab are the major cotton producing states. Thank you.